I am Dr. Charles Chege, Associate Professor in the Department of Clinical Psychology. One of the courses I teach, and one which I'm most passionate about, is diversity. We interact, especially in this general area, with people who come from very diverse backgrounds, and we need to prepare our students to be very solid, very responsive, very well prepared for that. This course has three main goals. One is to have students prepared with a wide knowledge base. The second thing is for them to develop skills. And then the third thing is to develop self-awareness. And that is perhaps the most difficult of the three of them, because it requires self-awareness, self-introspection, and deep searching of one's own background, one's biases, assumptions, and things that, quite frankly, are usually uncomfortable to talk about. So I try to achieve the objective of having frank conversations on really very sensitive diversity topics in two ways. One is during the regular semester, I have 2 or 3 forums, which I call roundtable forums, where students prior to the class are notified to come up with topics that they would like to hear others speak to. Usually these are very hot button topics, and they write them anonymously, and we get all those questions, we stuff them in an envelope, and then have 2 volunteers from the class to co-facilitate the discussions with me. They do most of it. I observe the overall process, but they're actually the ones who ran the actual reading and grouping of questions, and then inviting their colleagues, their peers, to talk about them. The second part is what we do on a regular basis in each class session, and that is to have ongoing conversations on the topics of the day. And this is where the actual physical structure of the classroom is very important. We are now in Duke 619, and this is an example of how this room could be set up so that students can participate in small groups, as well as reconfigure the room when you need to allow for an all-inclusive classroom-wide discussion for larger conversations for a roundtable forum. So this is one of the classes I'm really excited about.